What is this? Me too? Ay, guys, hindi pwede i-open. Parang madami silang ano dito, no? Ito, 5 dirhams. Rice cracker cheese flavor. Wala, masarap kaya yan? Ano ba?
Teacher assistant.
Yeah.
Why you have idea?
Ano daw?
Sila mon kahap. Yes.
Yesterday, our friends.
They told us about how much?
100?
Maybe around 60 something or 70 something.